Which of the following is correct? I would represent to minus I effect in the substituents. So let's understand what is minus I effect. Minus I effect is nothing but this is known as the inductive effect, in which we can say that it is the points to points the ponder, in which, if let's take an example, there are different number of groups which take different priorities orders. From that, it starts from NF3 plus, it has the most prioritized group, and the least prioritized group is hydrogen. So we need to tell which of the following correctly represent the minus I effect in this substituents. So if we compare them with the order of the species, we can find that NH2, OR and F, this is the most priority in this, and NR2, OR and F, this is also has the most priorities. Both are correct options. We can say this question has dual options, both are correct. Minus I effect is nothing but it has a number of chain compounds like cyanide group, aldehyde groups, ketones. They have prioritized alcohols, hydrogen. They have priorities. So from that we have to compare and tell which has the highest priorities in them.